Hi, so welcome to DCA. As you know that we started with the mock test that's named as Agni Pariksha for those who are appearing for NDA 1 2021. So hardly is I think around 10 days to go, and many of you guys might have appeared for the test, right? Some suggestions for you. Even if you are scoring around, let's suppose today we have around 30 questions in mathematics. The topic was matrix determinant. Tomorrow might be algebra, then we have trigo, right? So we are trying this sectional things reason so that you can check upon where actually you lack, right? And you need to work upon that, right? Even if you are going around 12 to 13 question out of 30, that's not bad actually, that's good actually, right? So anyone who is scoring around 13 to 14 correct out of those 30 is good, because online and offline has slight difference, right? So your performance will definitely improve in offline. Reason, you have all the questions in one go, while in online you have one question at a time, right? So remember, whenever you are attempting the paper, especially the mathematics, selectivity and accuracy holds the key for any of the good exam. And when I say good, that means the national level exam like UPSCs, whether it's NDA, whether it's CDS, civil service, or the IIT JEE or the JEE advanced, you have to perform within the time frame, right? In order to perform in a better way, please try to pick up the questions which you think that you're confident that might be easy, that can be done by elimination, and you have some sort of the kind of experience and the shortcuts if you have, right? ऐसे questions को पहले करना चाहिए, right? Although there might be different logic to these things, but it's all the personal choice. I personally feel try to go for the question which you feel you are good with, and which seems for you that okay, I can go on and get this correct within the duration of time. And in English section today, as I observed in today's paper, right, there were around 50 questions, 200 marks. Some people have scored around 160, 158, 152. I can assure you that you are really good enough, right? And I'm pretty confident, although we have this vocab and the passage section test today. But if your score is around 120, 130 plus in this, that means definitely your English score will be 140 plus in the actual NDA exam. So tomorrow you have that grammar test as well. So take this test seriously in the sense, when you are going to appear for this test, please keep your mobile phone in the aeroplane mode so that there cannot be any disturbance, and try to solve it in one go without looking at the help sheets or this kind of books, राइट? सो एक अटेम्प्ट में अच्छे से करने की कोशिश करें, ऑल्दो वी हैव गिवन यू 2 अटेम्प्ट्स, वो इसलिए ताकि अगर कोई टेक्निकल ग्लिच आ जाए आपकी तरफ से या आपने अनजाने में ऑफ सबमिट कर दिया तो एक और अटेम्प्ट आप ले लें. बट द क्वेश्चंस आर क्वालिटेटिव विच यू माइट हैव फेल्ट, right? So we have the candidates who have been on they're good enough, they are already qualified the NDA written. I think there are 2 candidates who have scored around 478, one is around 503, right? So tomorrow onward we have one more candidate who is a potential to score around 500 plus, definitely is scored around 99.8 percentile in JEE, right? But you are competing with the good one. Even if your score already, we said this, that you it's 40% plus, you will definitely make into the NDA written list. Believe this, right? आप अपने पूरी क्षमता के साथ, right, perform in the test, right, and try to use all the logics. Don't get nervous, and try to pick and choose when you are picking up the question. Make sure that it should be scoring. Accuracy holds the key. When you submit the key, when you look upon your score, let's suppose, try to check out how many of you have done correct or incorrect. This accuracy ratio for a good student, for a potential candidate, should be more than 75%. If your accuracy is 75% plus in our test, definitely it will be going to be more than 80% in actually UPSC and exam. Our tests are slightly 1.2 times tougher than the actually UPSC exam, because we wanted you to perform in the worst condition, right? You cannot claim that any of these questions are the JEE questions, right? None of them are. It's all analytical, especially the mathematics question. We have picked out the questions and jumbled in the way so that it can hit your minds. We have tried to concept assertion region kind of question, statement based question. We tried to put more than one concept in one question, right? So that the NDA questions quite be a cakewalk for you all, right? That's what I wanted. So some people have messaged me about after the test that, sir, I am getting around, let's suppose one of the candidate who's actually good enough, and he got around 102 in the English test, right? That's not bad actually. You will definitely cross 130 in the English test of actually UPSC NDA exam. So don't worry, keep doing. We are giving you the daily schedule for the test, daily targets, right? Keep performing. It will take around 2 hours of your day, but definitely at the end of the day, when the exam will be there, you will definitely remember that yes, it has increased your potential, right? It takes time for us to collect those questions, to manipulate the options, to change the words, right? So that we can twist and brainstorm the candidates with a good question. I have never put any PYQs, previous year question, in the test paper, because we personally believe that PYQs had already been done by the candidates and there is no more need to put that, so that candidates can be happy that okay, I am doing good, right? Candidate को खुश नहीं करना, उसका result लाना है, right? So let's suppose you are in the chat box, right? And there are some school projects candidates also who are also doing this paper offline as well, right? So they are also more or less around 160 170 in the English, right? Mathematics I could have checked out that the highest is around 23 or 24 question as far as abhi time hai, right? But keep competing, stay motivated, stay positive. You are doing good, step by step, and you will hit the target. That should be the only agenda, right? आप अपने काम पे ध्यान दें, लीव अस कि हमने कौन सी क्वालिटी क्वेश्चन डाला वो हम पे छोड़ दीजिए. इससे बेहतर, इससे टफ, बेहतर तो यूपीएससी बहुत कुछ करेगी, इससे टफ आपके लेवल पे नहीं आएगा, राइट? इससे टफ इन द सेंस आई एम कहिंग 1.2, इट्स नॉट 2 times टफर, राइट? सो प्लीज फोकस, स्पीड बढ़ाने की बहुत. आप जब पेपर दें, पेन शीट लेके रखें और अपने स्पीड के ऊपर वर्कआउट करें. दैट विल डेफिनेटली वर्क हेल्प यू आउट, स्पेशली इन द मैथ्स. अदरवाइज इन जीएस यू डोंट हैव द पॉसिटी ऑफ द टाइम की कमी जीएस में नहीं होती, मैथ्स में होती है, राइट? सो एनीवेज, दोज हु आर appearing for the test, you are doing good, right? Stay on the track. The next 10 days are crucial, and if you appear, I personally believe that you are going to add 5 marks daily to your score, right? We have the current affairs test as well. आप sectional plan करें, perform करें, marks खुद ही बढ़ेंगे. That's all. Any question, queries, you can definitely write us at 7710548960. That's official DCA number. Thank you. Good luck.